In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how I build stock and asset collections in Oxygen app, faster and smarter than anywhere else. Stick around, the discovery part is worth it. In Collections tab, adding stocks is simple. Search by name or ticker. Let's add a few tech names: Meta, Apple, and GameStop. Time to give our collection a name. How about Cool Stuff? There we go, Meta, Apple, and GameStop all in one place, ready to track. Looking at the overall view, we can quickly conclude these are strong, active brands performing positively over the last 40 days. I also want to add a few more stocks that's trending in the market today. We'll open the daily market feed and pick some top movers. Check out IBM. Recent AI acquisitions and a new AI partnership are making headlines. With all this positive news, let's add IBM straight from the feed. I'm adding IBM to my Cool Stuff collection. Scrolling the feed for more opportunities, Roblox grabs my attention. A cool gaming company currently facing some negative news about children's safety and a ban in Russia. Could be a chance to pick it up at a lower price. Let's add another favorite, this time through the search box. Here's Pinterest's company page. Interesting. Strong brand, positive media news, and a recent dip. This one's worth a shot. Cool Stuff's collection performance has shifted to negative due to two undervalued players, Roblox and Pinterest. This performance plot is so handy, I can immediately spot which stocks are driving the change. Switching to another collections view, we can spot more hype, anticipation, and business activity, all backed by positive news coverage. Here's the coolest trick to find the best stocks for your collections. Watch this. Go to the Scanner tab and type in anything you like. Boom! A qualified list of 50 promising U.S. tech stocks appears instantly. Thanks to Oxygen's AI Deep Stock Market Research, I can pick relevant stocks from the scanner list and add it directly to my Cool Stuff collection. Super easy and smart. Now exploring crypto and digital assets, Oxygen's thematic discovery gives me crypto companies in no time. Let's check Coinbase, an active, innovative company with a recent price decline. Looks like a really good match for my risky investing strategy. That's the Cool Stuff collection, mixing tech, trending stocks, and crypto. You pick the ideas, and AI helps with deep market research. Oxogen.ai, designed for humans, powered by Oxide intelligence.